For high-precision metal mold machining, SPOWER CNC offers advanced 5-axis machining centers with optional Italian HSD or HITECO 5-axis heads. Supporting full 5-axis simultaneous linkage, these machines are ideal for complex aluminum and metal mold processing. With exceptional rigidity, stable performance, and machining accuracy up to 0.01 to 0.02 mm, SPOWER CNC delivers reliable solutions for demanding industrial applications, helping customers achieve superior precision, efficiency, and long-term production value.